Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am just bringing you another concept basket that I put together. I'm going to flip you around. We're just going to take a look-see at this basket. Okay, so this is one of the Easter baskets that I got at Pop Shelf. It was just sitting there calling me, and they only had a couple, so I went ahead and got all the rest of these that have the cloth lining in them, so I didn't have to remove it. And in this basket, I put our Stormy Nights candle, as well as another candle jar. We have our Moonlight perfume here, some facial wipes, and we have some hand wash. I put this bracelet in here. Now, if you know me or you've been rolling with me for a while, you know I started out making jewelry. And this is one of the candy drop bracelets that I made. I use that heart as a backer, and it's just a wood heart that I got out of Dollar Tree. Alright, and then in the back here, we have our Dove Beauty Cream. And this is the our beauty cream, Body Love Beauty Cream is what it's called. I also added the lip gloss, and this one I included the whole pack of lip gloss. And then we have our Everlasting Love Body Lotion. Alright, and then here's some more jewelry pieces that I made. And these are Barefoot Sandles. Alright, very nice sandals. And they are just that, barefoot sandals. The piece up here goes around the ankle. And then this piece just hooks on the toe. Alright, so this is some body jewelry. Because believe it or not, a lot of people are into the body jewelry, especially toe rings and things of that nature. So these stones that I use, I buy from a wholesaler, and they are semi-precious stones. So those Barefoot Sandals are not cheap. And I will have an information card along with this basket so that people know exactly what it is they're getting. But these are Jasper stones. I have some cat's eye in there, which is what this is here. Alright, and then these are the Jasper. I also have some coconut wood, which are the dark ones, as well as bamboo in these sandals. And then some more of our cat's eye here. And then the ankle part is made of the bamboo wood. Okay. And then in this bracelet, I have two semi-precious stones, and those are the black stones there. And I just used a glue dot to hold that right there in place. Alright, this is a very nice body jewelry basket that I think any mom will enjoy. Please tell me what you think in the comments, and let me know what you think about the jewelry. I have lots of jewelry that I've made. I have not used them in any of my basket concepts until now, because it is summertime. Summer's coming, and barefoot sandals are very popular in the summertime, especially with your flip-flops and your other things that the sandals and stuff that ladies like to wear. So tell me what you think. Please like, share, comment, and make sure you be blessed and be a blessing.